In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to get the best results from Google Ads for accountants. A lot of people are using Google Ads to generate massive revenue for their business, but it's competitive. The people that succeed have optimized every stage of this customer journey. If you don't do this, the time, effort, and cost to acquire a new customer will be too high, and you'll become one of those people that say that Google Ads are too expensive and they don't work. That's wrong. They do work. But they only work for the people that optimize this entire customer journey. You can see from this table how small changes in conversion rates can double your revenue, and that can be the difference between your business being profitable or making a loss. Optimizing all of this takes a lot of time and effort, but I'm going to show you how to use AI to do all the work. Before I get into detail, Maya will talk about how to get the best results from Google Ads for accountants. Then I'll show you how to use AI to optimize the rest of the customer journey.
Thank you, Adam. Let's talk about how accounting firms can stop spending on Google Ads and start investing in them. The average cost per click is rising, so generic strategies don't cut it anymore. We're going to look at the exact data and best practices you need to dominate the search results this year. Let's look at the numbers. Interestingly, finance and accounting ads have the highest click-through rates of any industry at over 8%. People are looking for you. However, the conversion rate is only about 2.5%. This gap means many firms are paying for clicks that never turn into calls. With costs per click rising 15% this year, you can't afford to be average. The biggest mistake I see is bidding on broad terms like accountant. You'll end up paying for students doing homework or people looking for jobs. Instead, focus on long-tail keywords. These have lower search volume but much higher buying intent. If someone searches for tax planning for dental practices, they aren't just browsing. They are looking for a specialist. That is the lead you want to win. One of the fastest ways to increase your ROI is to stop paying for what you don't want. Negative keywords are your best friend. By excluding terms like jobs or free, you ensure your budget is reserved only for potential clients. If you don't do audits, audit should be a negative keyword. It's about being surgical with your spend. If you send your ad traffic to your homepage, you're throwing money away. If a user clicks an ad for bookkeeping, they should land on a page only about bookkeeping. This page needs trust signals, your certifications and client reviews, and a very clear next step. Don't make them hunt for your phone number. Put a book a consultation button front and center. Finally, lean into Google's AI, but keep the reins. Use smart bidding like Target CPA to tell Google exactly what a lead is worth to you. And since accounting is often built on local trust, make sure your location extensions are active so people see you're right around the corner. Combine local trust with global scale AI, and you'll see those conversion rates climb.
Thank you, Maya. Now let's talk about how to optimize the rest of the customer journey. You can do this with the help of agents on IIMAGINE. Just a quick reminder, these agents are free and ready to use. Check out the links in the description. Now Maya will show you how to use them, then I'll be back to show you how you can use IIMAGINE to manage other workflows in your accounting business.
Thank you, Adam. If you haven't generated any ads yet, go to Agents, click Templates, search for Ads Copy Generator, click Use this template. It will copy the template to your account. Then just complete these fields and it will generate your ad copy based on all of this criteria. You can edit these agents to make them work any way you like. For example, if you plan to use this agent multiple times and don't want to enter this information every time, click Edit, scroll down to the AI prompt, and add it all to the AI prompt. You can also change the prompt and add and remove input fields. If you already have ads and want to improve them, go to Agents, click Templates, search for Ads Review and Improve, click Use this template. This is similar to the previous agent, but you need to include your existing ad copy and analytics. Then the AI will review them and generate improved ad copy for you to try. The next step in the customer journey is the landing page. Go to Agents, click Templates, search for Landing Page Copy Generator, click Use this template. This agent will generate copy for your landing page based on all of this criteria. When a prospect visits your website, there's a list of things that impact the conversion rate. To be clear, I'm talking about the percentage of prospects that will decide to set up a call with you. They include: does your landing page or website load quickly or slowly? Conversions drop by about 7% for every additional second of page load delay. Does your landing page or website have high-end design? Well-designed sites can increase conversion rates by up to 200%. Does your landing page or website include reviews or testimonials? Around 80% of people say they will not buy anything without reading reviews. Are you active on social media? If yes, do you come across as someone that is up to date with what's going on in your niche? Is there any content that demonstrates your authority, skills, and expertise? If you don't have this covered, you are at a massive disadvantage. The next stage that needs to be optimized is the sales call and following up after the call. You can use this questionnaire for prospects agent to generate a list of questions for you to ask during the call in order to understand the major challenges and pain points of the prospect. Then use this recommendations based on questionnaire agent to recommend the optimal services for the prospect based on their response to the questionnaire. Finally, you can use the client contract generator agent to generate a contract based on the agreed services, pricing, and any other terms. And you can use the client onboarding agent to generate an efficient onboarding plan based on the services you agreed to offer. Now let's talk about Cortex, the most powerful feature on the platform. It has your chat history, your objectives from the My Life section, your MVP, your workflows, and your website content. Let's ask Cortex a question like, tell me what you know about my business goals. No matter what happens in my business, I can ask Cortex for advice about how to deal with it without wasting valuable time adding massive amounts of background information. This is something that makes Cortex unique, and it's not possible to achieve the same result by simply saving chat history in other AIs like ChatGPT. I get into more detail about this in the dedicated user guide video for Cortex. Back to you, Adam.
Thank you, Maya. As you've probably figured out by now, these agents are not just good for marketing. They can be used for anything. In fact, we've created more than 50 template agents for accounting workflows, and many of them can cut the time to complete common workflows by 90%. As I mentioned earlier, there's nothing to learn. You can just sign up and start chatting with Cortex. It can explain how everything works, and in many cases, it can do the work for you. But if you want us to do the work for you, you have several options. We offer a social media content service where we create content for you each weekday that's ready for you to post. This content is designed to establish your authority, build your audience, and generate leads. It'll be customized to your specific requirements, and it will sound like it came from you. If you buy a premium plan, which is $99 per month at the time of this video, you will get this service for free, along with all of the other features in the premium plan. So why does this matter? The days when you could just say that you have 10 years of experience and a degree in whatever and expect people to instantly become customers are long gone. Your target audience wants to see content from you where you talk about things that matter to them in a way that demonstrates your expertise. And this has a massive impact on the conversion rate of people that visit your website and decide they want to work with you. In the meantime, we can also complete an AI audit, create agents, and build custom applications. Just go to Custom Solutions in the main menu to see what we're offering at the time you're watching this video. Check out the links in the description. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.